Hey guys, Liz here. Guess what we're gonna do today? We're gonna cut our own hair because that's where we're at. So, I'm a professional. I don't recommend this. Under other circumstances, this is a time where I would say it's okay. So without further ado, let's get cutting our hair. Okay, so what you're gonna need are clips. If you don't have clips, you can use chopsticks, you can use rubber bands. The most important part of any haircut is sectioning. You're also gonna want a mirror, preferably. Also, a cutting comb. And let's talk shears. These are special hair cutting shears. I understand not everyone's gonna have one. You can also use manicure shears, really good sewing shears. Just don't use your kids' construction shears. And another thing about this, we're not cutting straight across. We are cutting point cutting today. So, and also, if you notice, my hair is dry. If you're gonna cut your own hair, please don't do it wet. That's just gonna take too much hair off. So, we're gonna take off anything from 1/2 inch to more. It depends. This is a haircut. I'm gonna teach you 2 variations of a haircut. And all one length, meaning no layers, keine Stufen. All one length trim that you can do for hair down to here. You can do hair basically from the neck point down. What this is not, is it's not a haircut video for anything that's bob or shorter in the back. This is the reverse of this. The front is shorter and then down here is longer. So the back is longer, the front is shorter. And I'll also be showing a variant of basically a lob. So you're looking at either an all one length hair trim or a lob. Great, let's get started. So we begin by sectioning. You're gonna make 30 sections. The first section is the top. It should be a circle. It should also include the crown. I'll turn around. The next section should be the sides. It's very important that you include the sides in this second section. Straight across, and there you go, section number 2. It probably looks terrible. Section number 3 is the bottom section. So that's right here. I have very fine hair. If you have more hair, you may have to make 6 sections. Make subsections within these sections, and I will show you how to do it. But for the most part, most people's hair is going to be like this. Also, this is not for textured hair. I'm so sorry, guys. I will make you a video maybe later on, but I don't have textured hair. Okay, so guys, so now we're gonna take our bottom section and you're gonna make a split right down the middle. So these two are even. See, like that. Very good. We are going to point cut today. Why are we point cutting? It is a more natural technique and it hides mistakes better. Yeah. Okay, so go ahead and look in your mirror. As you can see, my hair is, it's not bad. I've been cutting my own hair for a long time now. So I'm gonna go down, I wanna cut off about that much. So about 5 centimeters, an inch, inch and a half. And I'm going in and I'm just holding it between my 2 fingers, comb it down. Hold it between your 2 fingers. Take your shear and gently point cut this. Mind you, I'm doing this without my glasses too, so it's like blind hair cutting. But lay it down, that's good. Very important part, when you hold these pieces down, do not tug on them hard, okay? We don't want to do this with tension because then you'll end up cutting more hair off. So just gently like that, then lay it down, okay? Cleaner. Other side. Try to do about the same. Put it down. Try to cut like that. There we go. just little bits. Just barely trimming it. Now keep your body posture high, okay? See how I'm actually sitting for once without being hunchy. And then put on your glasses and go ahead and look in the mirror. Take your fingers. I'm gonna say that's even enough. You guys wanna go with good enough. What you don't wanna do is keep on cutting. Say, oh, this one side is not perfect, this side. No, if it looks marginally even, you're good. Okay, on to the next section. Okay, take your second section down. Yay! Now, if you have thicker hair than mine, you may want to take a smaller section of this, meaning you take the second section down and then you section off some hair in that second section and put it up and then comb it down. Okay, so you have less hair so you can see better. I already know I have fine hair, but I have a lot of it and I can see fairly clearly, and I'm just trimming the bottoms. We're not doing any layering at this point. This is just for someone that wants to just trim the bottom of their hair. Okay. You see how when I comb this over, I see my section, my previous section that I have. Maybe I will section these two. I will section this second one a little bit more because not everyone out there is a hairstylist. Again, go in the middle and comb, even split, and there we go. I'm able to see that's what I've already cut, and this is the line where I want to cut it. Boom, right there. So I go ahead, curve it in, and cut away. Looking better. Yep. This is a good enough haircut. Take this section, comb it over. This is real clear. You see how clear that is, guys? I know exactly where I need to trim. So go down to that point with those two fingers and then just grace the bottoms. It's more of a dusting more than anything. Okay, then take out the remainder of section 2. Maybe you have to do 3 sections of section 2. The most important part is that you see what you have cut previously, so you're able to follow that as your guide. See, am I able to see my guide? It's a little hard on that side. Ooh, that side. You see that guide? See that? I see right here where I need to cut. Okay, I'm just gonna speed this up for you.